there who's here? There are who's here, smaller than the eye can see.
Big black bull in the jungle of Noah.
It's true, sir. Here's who's who, sir. He's a who and so is she.
Big black bull in the jungle of Noah. Talking to his head, talking to his head, to his second head.
Objection! Overruled.
Sitting on an egg, sitting on an egg, sitting on an egg.
Objection? Overruled.
I meant what I said, and I said what I meant. An elephant's faithful, 100%. You can throw me in jail, lock me up in a zoo, but I won't insert my egg, and I will not abandon who. These who's, sir, win or lose, sir, whether you believe or not, it's true. They live in fear, and I'm the only friend they got. You can do what you want with me, Your Honor. I won't question why. But please say who, the tiniest planet in the sky.
Based on the evidence, I have no choice but to order the defendant, poor Tommy Elephant, remanded to the New Asylum for the criminally insane. And as for the dust bag, ooh, that dust bag, and as for the dust bag, ooh, that bag, and as for your dust bag, now we will boil, 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 boil it. How dear kettle of beans will not boil.
Toilets? Oh no, that you can't do. It's all full of persons. They'll prove it to you. Mr. Mayor, please, Mr. Mayor, you've got to prove now that you really are there. So ring every doorbell and send out the word. Make every who holler. Make every who heard.
Boil, 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 attention all who's, attention all who's, we've got to be heard.
There's no time to lose.
So stand up and shout.
Make it loud and clear.
We are here, we are here, we are here, we are here. Boil it, 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 boil it.
Come on, I believe in you all. A person's a person, no matter how small. Any very small persons who might have to die, you can make yourselves heard. So please try.
Boil it, boil it, boil it, boil it. We are here, 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 we are here.
Just for a moment, young Jojo looked grim. The fate of the Who's rested squarely on him. Then came a new thing, a peculiar new word, the kind of a word no one ever had heard.
We are here, we are here, we are here, we are here.
Do you hear what I hear? You see what I mean? They make themselves heard, but they still can't be seen.
They prove they are persons, no matter how small.
And the whole world was saved by the smallest of all.
How true. Yes, how true, said the sour kangaroo. And from now on, do you know what I'm going to do? From now on, I'm going to protect them. And the young kangaroo in her pouch said, me too.
Their troubles were